let's talk about what market profile is. So we have an alphabet here. We have the shape of a volume profile that you might recognize. We got a lot going on. Let's talk about it. It was developed by J. Peter Steidlmayer, and that was at the Chicago Board of Trade, and that was in the 1980s. And he basically was looking for a system and a way to conceptualize and understand the market in a deeper way and the market behavior in a deeper way. It wasn't cutting it for him to see the time and price. He wanted to see something else too. And so that's where the TPO comes in, and that's time, price, opportunity. So his system here is basically introducing opportunity to the equation here. Each letter essentially stands for a 30-minute period of the day. This shape here is the volume profile. This is essentially a chart condensed. But the most important thing here is that we are going to be able to predict where the market is going based on the shape that this market profile starts to make. Going into a few of the details on this chart, the most important is going to be the point of control. And then we also have the very key value area. We have the value area low, this blue line, as well as the value area high here. So this is where 80% of the trading volume of a day takes place. And then in addition to this, we have a few other things here that we'll get into the details of what else comprises of a market profile. But for now, just think about it like this. It is a way to see where the volume and shares are traded at different prices, and it's going to give us information that you don't get from a candlestick chart. Traditional charts are going to show us that price over time, but market profile adds this third dimension, and it's going to show us where the price spent the most time, and that's where we're going to find that value and be able to trade off of that value, that quote unquote fair value. So whenever you hear somebody talking about fair value, what they're really referring to is the point of control, where the market has decided with the most number of shares that via trades at that level that it's a fair value between the buyers and sellers.